All right, let's go to automated mailings. And this one you can see Josh has a couple that are already set up in here. Um, and you can what this does is you can have GeniuX and your script work together. Um, Say you're going on vacation, or I don't know, maybe you work outside the house or something, and you want to set up if it's being a slow day and there's less than 10 surfers, you might want to um, do one of those, you know, drop the timer or give them a surfing ratio boost to get them into your site and surfing. Okay, so you can set up, as many as you want. Josh has set up 3, and you can set the send rules. Um, so you can call it whatever you want, and he's got less than 10 surfers here, send time daily, and it's going to send according to the rules that you set up. So we'll get to that in a minute. And send to, all members, or once again, you can select free or any of your upgrade group types. Um, so if you want to set the send rules, you click on that, and here you can set the rules and conditions that must be met for a group to be sent. GeniuX will mail out an automated group on the specific send time if all of the rules for that group are met. For example, you can create a group to be mailed weekly and then set number of surfers in past 7 days was less than 10. GeniuX will then check your database every week and send out a message from that group if there were less than 10 surfers the previous week. Okay? So you can go ahead and you can set these rules here. So the last admin mailing. Don't mail this group if an admin mailing was sent in the past 2 days or however many days. Don't mail this group if a GeniuX scheduled mailing was sent in the past 2 days. Quick rules. Page surf rules. Total pages surfed yesterday was less than. Number of surfers yesterday was less than. Average daily hits. You've got a lot of options to choose from where you can set up rules and tell GeniuX to go ahead and set this up for you. Create advanced rule. Total pages surfed in 2 days is less than, or you can go number of surfers in 2 days is less than, or average daily hits per URL, or total sales. Add your rule, and you can see that the sky's the limit. You can tell GeniuX and your script to do whatever it is that you want it to do. And the thing is, if you're going to use Josh's presets in here, or you can make your own, but make sure that you are setting up your email messages for that group. So, for example, the less than 10 surfers, you can see that it's named right here. So you want to make sure that you go in and you fill in your email message and then edit it. Okay? Surfing ratio boost, that one. Less than 7 hits per URL, there's that one. Surf timers have been lowered. Less than 200 in sales, there's that one. So you want to go in and you want to make your messages be specific, and so that right here he has one set up. Hello, first name, we are having a 2-day credit special at, and your site name, pick up any credit package on our buy credits page and we'll double your order. So it's called 2-day special. So you can go in and you can edit those to make them be what you want them to say. They are already set up for you, but you can specialize them according to your specifications. And again, this, as with all the other ones, um, everything else works the same. The tracking link options, the special options, um, the macros, all of that is the same. Make sure, in order for them to um, go out and to be used, you do have, excuse me, you do have to enable them here, and then click edit. So if I wanted this one to be active, I'm going to click that and make sure I edit it so that it stays that way. If you don't want it, simply unclick it and click edit, and it's enabled. Each time a group is scheduled to be sent, GeniuX will select one of the messages inside the group. By default, the messages will be picked randomly. However, you can set them to be sent in order so that the least recently sent message will be selected. So you can set them, you can rank them in order. And if you click on group stats at the top, it will give you stats of each group that you have set up and how many it was sent to, link clicks, unsubscribes, number of sales, total sales from the link. And you can always reset that. The mail log is here, and that looks the same as the scheduled mailings. It'll tell you all the stats for the actual mailing, and once again, you can clean it up after however many days you wish to.